How about this problem? X squared plus xy plus y squared equals 4. In this case, the second term must be treated as a product of two functions. We need to use the product rule. But remember to multiply it by dy over dx every time we take the derivative of y. First, differentiate both sides of the equation and find the derivative of each term. So the derivative of x squared is 2x by simply applying power rule, plus this product, x and y, needs to be taken carefully when you deal with the x and y. Bear in mind that when you get to it, it's gonna be a product rule. Product rule, if we let f of x be the first factor and g of x the second factor, product rule is the first factor times the derivative of the second factor plus the second factor times the derivative of the first, or first d second plus second d first. What you see is x and y. It's a product. X is first and y is second. Remember our product rule, first d second plus second d first. So let's find the derivative of the second term by applying the product rule, where x is first and y is the second. Let's put a bracket and find the derivative of the second term by applying the product rule. So first, x, you copy x, times the derivative of the second, which is y, plus second, which is y, find the derivative of the first, which is x, plus find the derivative of the third term, y squared, by applying power rule. So we have 2 times y. Since this is y, do not forget to multiply it by dy over dx, equals derivative of 4 is 0. Derivative of a constant is 0. Now let's simplify this part here. Copy 2x plus x times derivative of y with respect to x. Now the derivative of y is 1 by applying identity function rule. However, since we are looking for the derivative of y, do not forget to multiply it by dy over dx. Again, derivative of y is 1. But since it is y, multiply it by dy over dx. So 1 times dy over dx is just dy over dx. So we have x times dy over dx. Plus, copy the second, which is y, and find the derivative of the first, which is x. Now, the derivative of x is 1, identity function rule, so y times 1 is just y. Then copy the third term, 2y times dy over dx equals 0. Next is to combine all terms containing dy over dx on the left side and terms not containing dy over dx on the other side. So we have in here x times dy over dx and 2y times dy over dx on the left side. So you just copy x times dy over dx plus 2y times dy over dx equals the terms 2x and y will be moved to the other side. So 2x will become negative 2x and positive y will become minus y. Next is to factor out the common term, which is dy over dx, and we're left with x and 2y equals, just copy, negative 2x minus y. Then we divide the equation by x plus 2y. Therefore, dy over dx is equal to negative 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. And this is the derivative of problem number 3. Another example, 3x squared plus y cubed minus xy equals x cubed plus y to the fourth. Now in this problem, x and y are combined on both sides of the equation. The same process, first, find the derivative of each term. What's the derivative of 3x squared? Apply power rule, so we have 2 times 3 is 6 times x raised to 2 minus 1 is just 1. Plus, derivative of y cubed, apply power rule again, 3 times y raised to 3 minus 1, which is 2. Since this is y, multiply it by dy over dx. Minus, again, it's a product, we need to follow the rule. First d second plus second d first. And we're gonna put it in parentheses, especially that we need to distribute the negative sign here. So find the derivative of the third term by applying this rule, first d second plus second d first, where x is first and y is the second. So first, x times the derivative of the second, which is y. Derivative of y is 1. However, since we take the derivative of y, we must multiply it by dy over dx. Plus, second, which is y, copy y, times derivative of the first, which is x, and the derivative of x is 1. Y times 1 is just y. Equals, derivative of x cubed is 3x raised to 2, plus derivative of y raised to 4 is 4 times y raised to 3 times dy over dx. Let's distribute the sign in here first. So we have 6x plus 3y squared dy over dx. Distribute, minus x dy over dx. Negative times positive y is negative y equals 3x squared plus 4y cubed times dy over dx. Next, combine all terms containing dy over dx on the left side. On the left side, we have 3y squared dy over dx and minus x times dy over dx. And on the right side, we have in here 4y cubed times dy over dx. So we must combine these three terms on the left side of the equation. So we copy 3y squared times dy over dx minus x times dy over dx, and 4y cubed times dy over dx will be moved to the left side, and from positive 4y cubed dy over dx, it will become minus 4y cubed times dy over dx equals, we just copy 3x squared and we move 6x and minus y to the right hand side. So from positive 6x will become negative 6x, and from negative y becomes positive y. Next, factor out dy over dx. So we have 3y squared minus x minus 4y cubed equals, just copy here, 3x squared minus 6x plus y. Then divide both sides of the equation by 3y squared minus x minus 4y cubed So we now have dy over dx on the left side of the equation. We just simply copy 3x squared minus 6x plus y all over 3y squared minus x minus 4y cubed.